Hi everyone, how you all doing? It's your man Ray Zachariah here again. Well, you catch me on a lovely Saturday, should we say it's afternoon. I'm in the mood to see some sea, so I'm off to Wales, somewhere by the coast. And I shall see you in a while.
So guys, I'm headed towards Wales, north of Aberystwyth, near a small village by the sea called Borth. I was low on fuel, so I pulled over to fill up.
I've been told inside the petrol station there that I look like I'm packed for a week.
It had been a while since I'd ridden this far on a bike, and I still had confidence in its ability to take me certain places.
Hello pal, I'm looking for somewhere. Camp, yeah.
Yeah, over there.
Oh, it's here then?
No.
Oh, okay.
Go back up the road.
Yeah.
And then take the next left then.
All right.
Down the lane there then, and it's the farm over there then. Coming down the straight tonight at
Oh, is there?
10 past 12. So they're coming that way and coming down this way then.
All right, okay.
So you might hear a bit of noise and some lights.
All right, fair enough. Thanks for the warning.
No problem.
Thanks, sir. Cheers. Okay.
Welcome to Ffosygrafel Isaf, I think that's how it's pronounced.
You have arrived. This is it. This is what I should have seen before. Camping. Yep. It's clearly marked really and truly. Probably should have had a massive sign right out the front.
Got camper vans down there.
Okay, yeah.
But if you want, the pitches are up here.
Okay.
So do you want to have your bike up there next
I
to
would,
you?
yeah, please.
Yeah. All the pitches, or just pick the one you want.
Okay.
And the showers and the toilet blocks just up there. Just go and explore and you find the things.
No problem.
And And there's a roundhouse as well you can hang out in and do stuff.
Excellent.
Have a
Thank
look
you.
at it. You're not the first person to do, just go straight past. Well, I'll definitely have one next year.
Oh, definitely will do. All right, thank you.
You okay? I'm up at the house if you need it.
After a lovely warm welcome, I chose a spot to pitch my tent.
Alright. Any one of these pitches of mine, and I've got the place to myself again. I love this.
After about a 3.5 hour journey, I had finally reached my destination.
Okay guys, I am here. I was supposed to arrive at 3, but I did stop a bit messing about with camera pictures and what have you. Anyway, I don't know what that's about. I am here. What time is it now? It is 3:30. Let's get set up.
Although I serviced the bike last week, I didn't top up the coolant level, but there was sufficient enough coolant in the tank to not worry about it. So I pitched my tent with the intention of doing some form of investigation about the steam coming from the overflow pipe later. But for now, I just want to sit down, relax, and take in the beauty of the landscape.
The moon's coming and the sun is going.
Where I'm at.
Lovely place though, very quiet. Again. Just the way I like it. There's a few people potting about over there and over there. Not very much at all, so I mean right where I am right now I can't see anything but green and blue. The blue sky and the green grass and trees. Very nice.
This is a small, eco-friendly, sustainable, family-run, off-grid campsite. With 8 circular grass pitches, it's located 3 miles from the sea.
Taking a quick ride to the seaside. The sun is right in my eye, I can hardly see.
Welcome to the village of Borth. More specifically, Morpha Borth.
Lovely seaside town. Smells of a seaside.
Borth is a mutation of the Welsh word Porth. Morpha Borth is a Welsh description. It says exactly what the land is like. In Welsh, a morpha is an area of low-lying land near the sea that is often prone to flooding. This village does not have a large industrial port today, but historically it was a small fishing harbour and a landing place for boats.
It's a long stretch, this. That is just going into national speed. What I want to do
As I rode down earlier, I saw a shop I'm sure I'm going to want to visit. So I came back and parked up at the entrance of the seashore, and it being the seaside, I had to go and look for some rock. Not the ones you find by the sand, rather the sweet, colourful type. Nice. Now it was time to go and have a nice long walk and watch the sunset on the sandy shores of the beach. It's getting late. Time to get back to base. I hadn't eaten all day, so after I got back to base camp, I prepared a small meal before chilling out. The phone service isn't very good here, but I'm told at the top of the hill there's a dedicated bench where you can get full 4G service. I felt I was in the mood, so I downloaded a film to watch. Well, I slept like a log. I think I went to bed about no later than 11. A bit later on I heard the cars over in the field. I couldn't be bothered to get up to look at it, but I remember hearing the noise of the engines. Yeah, at some point in the night. I must have went back to sleep and woke up what? It's about 5:45 a.m. I can hear the tweets of the birds. It's quite cool, but it's not freezing cold, you know, nothing like that. It's quite warm under this. So I'm gonna get up, make some tea, get ready, start packing up, and see what else the day has in store for me. Which shouldn't be much because I'm leaving today. About a 3.5 hours journey home, possibly. But before I go, I'm going to need to take a look at the steam coming out the front of the bike to make sure it's nothing too serious and that I haven't lost any water. So yeah, that's the plan. Right, I've got to go and find the toilets now. Let's try up here. Some kind of a house. I've got a fire pit here. Phone bench. Things up there. What this place is. Okay. It's a nice washroom. Lovely little area. Nice and clean. Oh, you can plug in. I didn't even see that. Plus food waste. Hot water. Really nice. Okay. Yeah, that's that, I guess. Let's go and find the toilet. Take a seat. Yeah, those are the toilets. And shower. Wow. And these are the solar heated showers. Very nice. Really nice. We used all these organic things to like reuse stuff to build the whole thing. It's really good. I like how they've done that. Light switch. That does work. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. It does work. This place is really nice. Definitely would come back here. But there's a big path over there. There's a camping spot here as well. You can camp. Yeah, they've done it for so that you don't get overcrowded. This is great. I love the way they've done this, to be honest. Let's go and walk down here. See where this leads to, if anywhere. No, it leads back around. I've done a path for it to go back around into the camping areas. Let's see what this place is like.
Compost toilets.
So yeah, they call you to sit down. You sit down. There's two different areas for doing your business, and then surprisingly, it works really well. Little area here as well for washing your hands. It's got no water in it, has it? Well, that one hasn't. It's just cold water for washing your hands. Lovely. So that's it, people. Yeah, it's very good. I'm impressed with that. Head back to the tent and start packing up. I've got about an hour to pack up. Let's make a nice cup of tea first though. So I'm gonna start get ready now.
Fortunately, I managed to pack all my things and load the bike in order to exit the premises on time. Before I got to the main roads, I decided to pull over for a quick mango for breakfast, but mainly to check my overflow coolant tank level and top it up. It looks like my bike has developed some form of overheating issue, but nothing too serious that was worth worrying about now. But further investigations are required after I reach home. It seems to be overheating only when I've stopped, so I'll keep an eye on it